you have no one to speak in English with, maybe in your place, in your city, no one around you speak in English, you can practice your English with anybody. I have good news for you. So you have internet, and I have some applications. You can use them in order to level up your speaking. So what you should do is to use some application through internet and to boost your confidence. These app materials are going to help you to improve your speaking in one condition. If you do a little bit every single day, don't say you have no time. I despise that. 5 minutes, 10 minutes is enough every single day. So use this application for vocal voice or video call. Download it on App Store, Google Play, or Play Store. First one is Reallife English. You can have a conversation with English learner around the world. We have also Speak English. These apps are wonderful. We have also Open Talk and Speaknative or Speaky. These applications are going to help you more to understand, to improve your speaking. Take a look, download this app, and start to have conversation with students around the world. Second, go on this website, freefortalk.com on Google. You're gonna also improve your English in a lot of languages if you want to improve them also. You have also to improve your pronunciation in order to speak English or closely like a native speaker. We have some app you can download also on App Store, Google Play, or Play Store. You have English conversation, wonderful app, kind of dialogue you can repeat, and you can record your voice in order to improve your speaking, pronunciation, and so on. We have Cake, we have Duolingo or Bold Voice, a wonderful app also to have feedback and etc. In order to speak English like a native speaker, you have to improve your listening, because the more you listen, the more your speaking improve. So listen to some podcasts like Speak with Tiffany podcast on Google. Go on Google and check Speak with Tiffany podcast, or the Influency podcast for teacher Hadar Shemesh, or the podcast of All Yours English podcast on Google. Available free, you can listen to that and improve your speaking. But last but not least, follow the expert to learn more tips about learning English. Follow teacher Tiffany on YouTube. Follow teacher Joe Crossman on YouTube or Instagram. Follow English Class 101.com teacher Alicia on YouTube, wonderful teacher. Follow linguamarina, teacher Marina on YouTube also. Go Natural English with teacher Gabby Wallace, American English teacher. And English teacher Emma, you can follow also teacher Emma on YouTube, or you can follow teacher Vanessa, or Russian's English, or teacher Meysam, or teacher Hadar Shemesh. These are the excellent teacher. You can follow them and learn more tips about how to learn English, how to use your English, how to improve your grammar, listening, speaking, reading, writing, grammar, vocabulary. A lot of things you can learn with this teacher or some of these teacher in order to level up your English. Okay, bye.